Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about multiplication, and you guessed it, multiplication, bing 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 bing, it's a cognate. It means to multiply, multiplicación. It means to add something more than once, and yes, multiplication means to do something a multiple times. That means that if I'm looking at an equation like this, 3 times 3, that really just means that I'm adding 3 times. So I'm really doing this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So that means that 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And we could say that, or we could skip count. We could say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on, right? But because we were only doing it 3 times, we would only say 3, 6, 9, and we would just stop there. This would be 3 times 4, and this would be 3 times 5. That just means that we're adding 3 a multiple of times. So when we're doing 1-digit by 2-digit multiplication, like this 13 times 5, what we're really saying is that we're adding 13 5 times, or we're adding 5 13 times. And we could do that, but that would take a really, really long time. And you know how it is. As we get older, we like to do things a little faster. So 5 times 3 is 15. We drop the 5, carry the 1. And notice I start with the ones place and then I go to the tens place. So now I'm going to say 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. So now we know that 13 times 5 equals 65. But this might be a little hard for some of us. So what I like to do is an expanded form method. So I can say that 13 is equal to 10 plus 3. And 5 is a 1-digit number, so it's just 5. So now when I make my box and I begin to place my numbers, I know that 10 plus 3 is really 13. And I'm just going to put a 5 here because it's only 1 digit. It's only one number. It's in the ones place. I'm going to draw a line down the middle using my plus sign to help me keep organized. So in this box, the 2 numbers that I'm going to multiply are 10 and 5. So 10 times 5 equals 50. And in this box, we're going to multiply 5 times 3. So 2 numbers that touch. 5 times 3. And we know that 5 times 3 equals 15. We're doing the same thing that we did here, but we're just doing a little more spaced out so that we can really see what we're multiplying. Okay? So now we're going to add these 2 numbers. 50 plus 15. And that is equal to 45. Wait a minute. 45? No way. It's not equal to 45. Oops. Made a mistake. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And we got 65 here. We got 65 here. We got the same thing, just 2 different methods. Now, if I'm going to do a double digit, that just means 2 numbers, a number with a number in the tens place and in the ones place. I'm going to do 34 times 18. I'm just making up numbers. 8 times 4, I'm doing the shortcut method right now. 8 times 4 is 8 times 4 is 32. Drop the 2, carry the 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. I'm going to put a little happy face here to help me keep my place value because I'm not multiplying the ones place anymore. I'm multiplying the tens place. So I'm going to do 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 3 equals 3. Now I'm going to add. I'm going to say 2 plus 0, or 2 plus a happy face is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. Drop the 1, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So we know that 34 times 18 is equal to 612. Now, I'm going to do an expanded form just to show you how we can do it so that we can make sure that we're multiplying correctly. So we're going to say 34 is equal to 30 plus 4, and 18 is equal to 10 plus 8. Okay, I just expanded both of those numbers. And because there's 2 digits in each number, we are going to make a box with 4 spaces in it. And you'll see what I mean in a second. 30 plus 4, 10 plus 8. And I use that plus sign just to keep me organized. I'm gonna draw a line straight across and a line straight down. Remember, the two numbers that touch are the two that get multiplied. So 10 and 30 are gonna be multiplied in this box. 10 and 4 are gonna multiply in this box. 8 and 30 are gonna multiply in this box. And in this box, it's gonna be 8 and 4. Okay? Now I'm gonna drop these two zeros because it's a quicker way to multiply. I'm gonna drop 1, 2 zeros. 3 times 1 is 3. Now I have a 0 here. I'm gonna drop 1 0. 4 times 1 is 4. And you guessed it, in this one, I'm gonna drop how many zeros? That's right, 1 0. And you hear that growl in the background, those are my dogs. 8 times 3 is 24. And 8 times 4 is 32. Now, I'm gonna add all these. Now, it doesn't matter what order you put them in to add them, but it does matter when you're adding if you line them up correctly. So, for lining up, I mean that you have all your ones placed together, all your tens placed together, and your hundreds placed together. So now I'm going to add 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. And I got 612 here, and I got 612 here. I got the same answer. The only thing is that this is the shortcut method, and this is the expanded form method. Now, I'm going to give you about 3 problems. And these 3 problems, what I want you to do is try to do the same thing. Do the shortcut or do the expanded form method, whatever works for you to help you solve the problems. Your first problem is going to be 64 times 18. Okay? And just to help you out on the first one, that's it, just the first one, we're going to say 60 plus 4. And then this one is 10 plus 8. Okay? Then let's say it's 39 times 85. And then your last one is going to be 44 times 67. All right? Good luck, boys and girls. I look forward to looking and seeing your answers tomorrow. Just like I promised, I will show you a little cameo of my... They're all together, so I'm just going to show you all my pups. This girl right here, this is my Callie. This is my Pitbull Mastiff mix. And my little girl Kelly. Yeah, she's little. She's still only a few months old. And this is Dora. She is 5. Hey, stop messing with her. And this is the tiniest one. She only weighs 5 pounds. This is Mia. She's so cute. This is my little Mia. Okay, she's a little shy. Little character trait of hers. All right, you guys. Good luck. I'll see you all in school tomorrow. Bye-bye.